smoke just settled down when you appeared. Your face, it made my vision crystal clear. If I miss
Faithfulness is a choice that you must make every moment of every day until death separates you. You must be faithful to each other as God is faithful to you in order to experience God-sized love.
Got this kind of energy that makes me smile. I just want to settle down with you, my marigold. Your marigold.
You're the most loving, kind, compassionate, and honest person I know. I'm so blessed to have you as part of my life.
You accept me as I am and challenge me to grow each day. Today, I'm becoming your wife, and all of my dreams are coming
Classic
true.
in a modern way. Never dance with you, I dance the night away. If we keep our good intentions.
I love hearing about your families and your friends, where you grew up, how you stumbled or bumbled into each other or whatever it is online. And I especially was encouraged by how important your faith in God is to each other. And you have a pretty fascinating engagement story. Good work there. Good.
Your marigold and my marigold. Your marigold and
You love like Christ loves, without expectations, without looking for something in return, and even when you have nothing left to give. Your heart is big enough to take on 100 more friendships, and for every person to feel like they're your best friend.
Paul, ever since B, I can't ask him anything without it being we. And that's huge. Paul, how's your job? We like our jobs a lot. Okay. I'm glad B's happy. Okay. I knew you were the one when every time I was coming to see Paul, I thought, I can't wait to celebrate with B and Paul. So every time we're together, we're constantly celebrating, and I love it. So that's how I knew.
I need you to remember me telling you that every person in this room today is looking at the two of you and thinking, that's the type of love people long for. It's going to be easy to feel it today, but when the trials come, I need you to remember this moment and me telling you how apparent your love is to me and to all of us. It's obvious and quiet at the same time. It's a type of love that makes those of us who haven't found it yet envious. It's real and raw and passionate and everything we dream about as children.
Guys, when you get hurt, and you might once in a while, do not pull away and go into your own little worlds. The better way is to work through your differences quickly, remaining completely open and available to one another physically, spiritually, mentally, morally, sexually, in every possible way. This is how you imitate God's love.
I was always searching for someone who could care for me, understand all of my passions and life goals, and love me wholeheartedly through every moment. But I had no idea what that would look like until I found you.
I vow to always stand by your side and challenge you. I vow to not only grow old with you, but to grow with you.
I vow to respect, stand up for, and honor you in every life moment. But most importantly, I vow to stand beside you every single day as your life companion, your main confidant, and your soul partner. You're my world. I love you.
To tell you that I love you all of my life just doesn't seem fair. Because one lifetime won't nearly be enough. Paul, you already have my heart. But today I give you my life. I love you.
I declare and proclaim today that you, Paul, and you, Barrett, are now husband and wife. Paul, you may kiss the bride.
Mo, Dave, Gina, and Andy. I realized that you didn't exactly have Barrett for me. But a little piece of me really believes that God may have created her exactly when he did because he knew I needed her. Thank you for giving me this person. You should pat yourselves on the back for knowing who you've raised.
Hold on to hope, don't let go, don't give up.
And this is how I knew Barrett was soulmates with him. We get to a bar and Paul, we wait in a line, 10 plus people. So we get all the way in there, we get in there and ask for a New England Hazy IPA. It's like the 5th bar we've done this in 1 hour. And do you have a New England Hazy IPA? In Colorado, which isn't New England. Paul asked, they say no. This bar sucks, we're leaving. Immediately, B's with him, turns around. This place sucks, we gotta get out of here. I'm like, well,
If you could lose all your burdens, yeah, and I said, ooh, my words are few, but I love you. Those words, please hear them, yeah.
You choose to pray together each and every day throughout your marriage. There will be a greater than a 99% chance that your marriage will last. What an amazing possibility. Prayer keeps us humble and in front of God.
And the thing about it is when you break through resistance, when you break through the peak, that peak becomes your floor. You have a new peak you have to reach. So Paul's peak is now, we don't know. His support is now today. He broke through resistance today. Today is the best day of his life. So no matter whatever happens, you have this as your baseline forever. You have peace.